Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix App Store download and update failures after iOS 17 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining that they are expressing download and update failures on the App Store after updating to iOS 17. It can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. App downloads and updates requires a reliable internet connection. So you have to make sure that you have strong and stable internet connection. Then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometime a simple restart can resolve app related issues. Simply have to tap on your settings, then scroll and then tap on general, tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check for iOS updates. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Go to your settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update to check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Then you have to sign out and sign back into the App Store. Simply for doing this, simply you have to go back, then tap on App Store, or tap on your profile picture, scroll down, sorry, go to tap on your Apple ID, wait for a while. Now enter your passcode and simply sign out. After signing out and then signing back in and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check available storage. Make sure your iPhone has enough available storage space for app downloads and updates. After applying this all and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to reset network settings. Resetting network settings can help if there are any connectivity issues affecting the app store. Go to your settings, then go to general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Keep in mind that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and password, so be prepared to re-enter them. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.